Yo, YouTube, how's it going, guys? In this video, you're gonna learn how I saved $100 on my ride using an Uber promo code that I found for new and existing users. Now, this is my second time redeeming an Uber code, and I was able to do this right from my phone and save some money on a ride to the airport that's located more than an hour away. Now, I'll explain some more of the details here shortly, so keep watching this video if you're interested in learning how I did it. Okay, so if you notice the active promo, it says $100 off. I'm gonna be getting a ride to an airport that's located more than an hour away. So here's the details on the checkout before I request the ride. So this ride was originally gonna cost me $105, but after applying the Uber discount code, I'm gonna be able to get it for $592. Now, as you can see right here, the promo code is supplied by Feel the Deals. That's where I found it, and they're giving me $100 credit towards my ride. The promo code should work fine as long as Feel the Deals keeps their promotion running. I wanted to make sure this worked for any ride, so before I recorded the video, I tested a bunch of other drop-off locations, and the Uber coupon worked for every ride and applied to them all. Now, you can check out the description of this video for more information on how to go about doing this. I'll drop the full YouTube video tutorial there so you can go watch it step by step. And all you're gonna need for this, guys, is obviously an iPhone or an Android, and make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection. But yeah, Feel the Deals is a coupon page, but it's a different one. It's not like the ones that you see on Google where they only give you like $10 or it only works if you're a new user. It won't cost you anything. It'll just be a little bit of your time, probably 5 to 10 minutes out of your day, but it's worth it when you're saving $100 on your ride. So yeah, just check out the description for the full tutorial. All you'll want to do is follow along. It should be pretty easy. I was able to get the process done pretty fast earlier when I did it the first time. And you literally just type in the brand that you're after in the search bar. You click on it. It'll have some little details about Uber and some savings tips, but then you just scroll down to the coupons and deals section to reveal the discount. You just press on the show code button, and it's got these little hashes meaning that the code is locked, but that's completely fine. Don't worry, you'll unlock it following the steps in my tutorial. And the process is super simple. It's just some sponsor apps. You help their app ratings, which in turn gets them better rankings in the Google Play Store or App Store. And because of doing this, it boosts their apps so more people find them, and they potentially earn more through their in-app purchases, and that's how they're able to give these discounts out. So it's literally that easy. It doesn't take too long, and it gets you a completely working Uber code. But yeah, after those sponsor apps are completed, the promo code will be available, and the promo code only works once. You can't use the code that you see in this video since I'm going to be using it, but basically when you unlock yours, just go ahead, copy the code, use it on Uber, and redeem it for a credit of $100. And you can do this as many times as you want, but you have to do different sponsor apps. You can't just do the same ones over and over, or it won't register with Feel the Deals. But trust me, there are plenty to choose from. It's literally just some game tutorials that you have to complete. I was able to get them done within 10 minutes, so the process doesn't take long at all. Anyway, if you want to get a code for yourself, check out the description below to watch the full YouTube video. It'll show you step by step on how to get a code for yourself. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.